Sometimes, best thing you can do for yourself as a creative is to disappear for a moment. No deadlines, no notification, no pressure to create. Just breathe. As creatives, we spend so much time chasing the next big idea, the next client, the next upload that we forget something important. You are human before you are productive.
Project Akosombo.
A couple of weeks ago, I was in the eastern region. The environment, the water, the fresh air from the lake Volta, it was so serene. In other moments, my mind became so clear again. And it reminded me, sometimes inspiration doesn't come from sitting behind your laptop or 10 hours. Sometimes it comes from stepping away from it.
Wake up, I'm about to shake up every little thing, show you all that we can be. Come dance in my glow. Fireflies in the yard, everything's a work of art. Already got everything we need to dance in the glow.
So, if you've been feeling stuck lately, this is your reminder. Resting is not wasting time. Your creativity needs life experiences too. So, go outside, call your friends, take the trip, watch the sunset, touch some grass, because life is bigger than deadlines. And maybe, just maybe, the version of you are trying to become is waiting outside your comfort zone. This is my 2 cents.